The market is reacting in a way which does not comport with the strength, the unbelievable strength of President Trump's economy. I mean, everything in this economy is hitting on all cylinders because of President Trump's economic policies. We've cut taxes, that's stimulating investment in a way which will be non-inflationary. That's going to drive up productivity and wages. That's all good. Mick Mulvaney at OMB is orchestrating one of the best deregulation events since the Reagan administration. That's a supply side benefit to the economy that pushes inflation down and growth up. We've got an unleashing historically of the energy sector, which is going to drive down costs to American manufacturers, make them competitive, even as it drives down costs to consumers and allows them to spend more and get more out of their dollar. In terms of trade policy, by reducing the trade deficit, which is the intent of the president's fair and reciprocal trade policies, that'll add thousands of jobs to this economy and bring in foreign investment. I mean, when we put the tariffs on solar and washing machines in January, that brought in a flood of new investment. So you wonder, I mean, if I put my old hat on as a financial market analyst, I'm looking at that, this market and the economy, I'm thinking, well, the smart money's certainly going to buy on the dips here because the economy is as strong as an ox.
Is the president, have you heard him comment on the market weakness, Peter? Is he asking about it? Are people trying to explain it to him?
I haven't spoken with him today, but let's be clear. The president's focus, singular focus, is on economic growth, rising wages, and a strong manufacturing and defense industrial base. And if we hit all points of that, hang on, if we hit all points of those compass, the market will go up. So that's kind of where we're at. And it's like, I think it's the Aaron Rodgers thing. Everybody needs to relax and kind of look at the chessboard here. Because look, I mean, this economy is just strong. And it's not just the U.S. economy. We have this synchronicity globally where Europe and Asia, Latin America, they're all doing very well, moving together on this. That helps everybody. So, again, relax.
Let's talk about the chessboard for a moment, because just this afternoon there was word that the president wants to wrap up these NAFTA negotiations within 2 weeks. Is that realistic?
Well, the issue here, which the president understands keenly, is that the Mexican elections are approaching, and you're going to get to a certain point, like just as you do in the American elections, where it becomes difficult to do meaningful policy changes. So I think whether it's 2 weeks or 30 days, it's got to be soon. And Ambassador Robert Lighthizer, the U.S. Trade Representative, has been doing a great job going through multiple rounds with his Canadian and Mexican counterparts. So we need to be hopeful about this, but not get our expectations up too high. Let's see what happens. What the American people need to know is that they're in very good hands with the two best negotiators in America, the president himself and Ambassador Lighthizer.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.